So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
So for today's video, pag-aaralan naman natin yung pinagkaiba ng must and ought to. Okay, so ano nga ba yung pinagkaiba nila? Matututunan natin sa video na ito. So must may refer to a necessity or an external duty. It is more forceful than ought to, and it has a higher probability of happening than ought to. And the action must be done not because it's the moral thing to do. Okay, so ibig sabihin, yung must, ginagamit siya kapag yung word or yung action dapat mangyari. Pero hindi naman siya nakabase sa moral obligation. Meaning, hindi siya yung dapat mangyari kasi ito yung tamang mangyari. Okay, so for example, we have the tenants must pay their monthly dues. He must file a petition now. She must complete the essay by tomorrow. You must love your country. Okay. And then, yung ought to naman, it refers to a duty or a necessity and moral obligation. Okay, so it is less forceful than must. Okay, mas less forceful siya. Okay, so there's a possibility that it might not happen. Okay, and yung ought to, it is based on moral obligation, meaning dapat siya mangyari because ito yung tamang mangyari. Okay, so for example, we ought to help the poor and the needy. I ought to eat lots of fruits and vegetables. We ought to work together to help the victims of typhoon. You ought to respect your elders. Okay, so again, yung must, okay, must be done, okay, and it is forceful. It is more forceful than ought to, and it is not necessarily based on moral obligation. And yung ought to naman, it is based on moral obligation and less forceful than must. So I hope marami kayo natutunan sa video na ito. Please like, comment, and subscribe.